In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a 2-in-1 variation of a calf stretch. So we're going to be doing a calf stretch, and at the same time, we're going to be working the opposing legs, so the resting legs hip in transverse rotation. So I'm going to show you what this looks like, but firstly, how to get into the position is I want you to pop your hands at shoulder height. From here, once they're at shoulder height, I'm then going to come back and I'm going to be stretching my left calf here in this example. I'm going to come back until I feel a calf stretch. So for me, I'm coming back. Now I start to feel a calf stretch as I bend my right leg forwards. So I'm bending my knee. In this position, once I've got the stretch, as soon as I take my right leg off the floor, all my weight is going to go onto my left leg, which is really going to intensify the stretch. From here, we can be really dynamic by opening up the hip and coming back in, getting a 2-in-1, so feeling that calf stretch, but also getting the added benefit of some rotation through the hip. It's fantastic as a time saver for those looking to do this on the go, as well as those looking to do this before a run, just to loosen off the hip as well as the calf at the same time. That is how to do a calf stretch on a wall, also with transverse rotation of the hip.